Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your router has an open LAN port and supports the speed you need, because speed limits matter. Next, measure the run and choose Cat5e for 1 Gbps or Cat6 for future-proofing. Pick per-terminated cable if you want no crimping. Once done, plan the route along baseboards, through attic, or via conduit, and gather clips and a drill. Doing these first saves time and prevents mid-job surprises, so complete prep before you cut or drill. Now route the cable along the planned path, keeping it clear of electrical wiring and avoiding tight bends. Leave a few extra feet at each end for easier terminations. If using connectors, strip and crimp carefully to maintain pair twist. If you prefer a tidy look, install wall plates and keystone jacks. Once terminated, test continuity and signal with a handheld tester or by plugging a laptop. Make sure you get the expected link speed and that LEDs show an active connection before finishing. Finish by fastening the cable neatly, labeling ends, and sealing entry holes to keep out drafts and critters. If the device won't link, first verify the pinout and crimp quality. Reseat or redo the connector if any pair looks off. Once you've ruled out the router port and device NIC by swapping cables or ports, consider alternatives like powerline adapters or Ethernet over coax only if physical routing is impractical. A single multimeter or tester.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.